welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi Note 8 2021 European distribution, and I'll answer on the question, does it comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter or no? So now I'll just open the box, and here, as can you see, we get only the USB cable and the charger brick, and unfortunately here inside this paper box we also have the headphones adapter. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.